A very good o'clock to all the students. Here I am Amisha, ma'am, your English grammar teacher. Students, since we were on our chapter number 4, Anomalous Finites, I am going to discuss in that few more topics. Second one is has, have and had and its usage. Okay. So have, has and had are used in these ways. What are these ways? First one is in perfect tense it is used. Perfect tense we have already discussed. Like we have already completed the project where it is when the things or the action is done, it comes under the category of perfect tense. So we have used here have form of the verb with the perfect tense. We have already completed the project. इन एक्सप्रेसिंग पोजेशन स्टूडेंट्स पोजेशन मीन्स जब आप कहीं अधिकार दिखाते हैं लाइक आई हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल बाइक हियर इट इज़ अ पोजेशन दैट योर बाइक इज़ ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट इज़ योर्स you are having that. There you have to use these have, has or had. To mean get, receive or take. When you are trying to say something which tells the meaning of get, receive or take. Like I have my lunch at 1:30 p.m. Here have is used that denotes that you took your lunch. आप कर चुके हो at 1:30 p.m. Again to indicate obligations. Obligations students means like I have to help my cousin. Here you have to do these things. Okay. Where you are being obligated to do something. Then you can use here have, has or had. Also as a causative verb. Causative verb that cause something. Like I have a haircut after a month. आपका हेयर कट आफ्टर अ मंथ तो हैव इज़ यूज्ड शी हैड द न्यू हाउस कंस्ट्रक्टेड हैड इज़ यूज्ड हियर ओके होप सो इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू नाउ डिस्कसिंग अबाउट डू डज और डिड do listen to me that as principal verb it is used like principal verb which is a main verb that is being used do your job sincerely where it is being focused that this thing you have to do main things are being done there as a principal verb it is being worked as auxiliary means again helping verb like I do not believe in superstitions here do not word is used that is an auxiliary being okay also it is also being used as an intransitive verb like the quality of milk will do suffice okay an emphatic sentence also emphatic means which emphasize something जो किसी पे जोर देते हैं आप like I do believe in God यहाँ पर आप दिखा रहे हो that you do believe in God आप भी believe करते हैं you are emphasizing जोर दे रहे हैं इस बात पर as a substitute for the other words like who lives here if I am asking question who lives here your answer is I do here you have substituted the word you can also say I live here but you have substitute this word live here by using the word do or by using the verb okay now discussing about students the verb can or could always remember that can is used to express possibility like we can do this if we decide to do so here you can only do this if you decide that means possibility is there है ना possibly you can do if you decide for the capacity also to express capacity can is used like this bottle can contain 1 liter of water this bottle can contain 1 liter of water here it is a capacity of the bottle that it contains how much liter of water 1 liter for that also for the expressing capacity you can use can to express permission like you can take rest now this is a permission is granted to you to take rest now for that you can also use the verb can also to seek permission when you are asking to seek means to ask or to ask for it something to seek permission that means to ask as in a permission way like can I take your pen this you are seeking permission you are asking can I take your pen fifth one is for legal permission legal means which is something which is good which you can do in a very correct order since it is okay like she can construct a building on this site she can construct a building वो घर बना सकती है on this site site यानी area उस जगह पर because it is legally being permitted उनको permission मिला हुआ है legally by the government also students let's discuss about could so could first thing is it is a past form of can okay like she could clear the test second thing is to denote again to denote the permission like could you attend the party okay third is to denote conditions he could catch a robber if he would, यानी if he hope so, अगर वो खुद चाहता तो he could catch a robber. So to denote the condition you can use could. Hope so the video is clear to you. You have understood well about have, has, had, do, does, did, can and could. To watch the video to understand this chapter. Thank you students.